My name's Jessica Owens and I did an apprenticeship because I've been working at plastering since I was 17 and I have undertaken my level 2 with plastering as well, and I just wanted to improve my career and my knowledge, and I wanted to become a senior in my job role, so I've become a trainee senior now. The way I learned and the support that I was given was very good. I was given support by my assessor Kim, who was very flexible. If I ever needed her, I was able to contact her. She offered me good support and advice if I ever needed it, and I also had support from my manager, Donna. She was there to assess me when Kim couldn't. She was there to observe me and then feedback that to Kim, and then it all fit in place. The best thing about doing an apprenticeship was gaining new knowledge and skills, especially in something that you are passionate about, and then you can put that knowledge and skills into practice. My apprenticeship has enabled me to overcome difficulties professionally and personally. I did lack in confidence. Even though I have been there for 5 years, I'm still a young carer. Obviously I work alongside people who have been in that job a long time, who are older than me, so I didn't really have the confidence. But now that I've completed this apprenticeship, I am a lot more confident within my job role, and I can't wait to succeed further and maybe complete another apprenticeship in the future.